Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I got the 256GB version in midnight green. So yeah, let's take a look around the box. Alright, so that's the front of the box with a back picture of the phone. On the bottom, it just shows you the Apple logo. Same goes with the top. On the sides, it says iPhone. And on the back, it tells you the capacity, what comes in the box in several languages, what the phone requires, and the barcode serial number and whatnot. Alright, so let's open up the plastic wrapping. Move this aside. Flip it over. And there it is, the iPhone 11 right on top. Let's take it out. Does feel quite nice. Put it aside. And right here, designed by Apple in California. Inside, the quick start guide, SIM injection tool. This would be, I believe, the safety information, and obviously a couple of Apple stickers. Put that aside together with this, and we have the earphones with the lightning connector, the lightning cable itself, and the charger, which is the flip up type for the 3-pin version. Alright, so let's do a first boot up. Okay, so swipe up to open. Let's pick English for the language. I would love to be in Germany, but no. Let me just find Malaysia. Set up manually. Preferred languages. Okay, that sounds alright. Let me just enter the Wi-Fi settings and I'll get back to you. Okay, the Wi-Fi is done. Okay, continue. Face ID, I'll set this up later. I'll enter the passcode. I'll be back. Okay, so the passcode has been entered. I will pick the last option and sign in with Apple ID. Okay, so Apple ID has been entered. I'm gonna click agree. Alright, so iCloud Drive, I'm gonna turn it off. I don't use it, so express settings. Okay, just gonna continue with that. Install updates manually. I'll set this one up later. Set Siri up later as well. Screen time. Okay, set that. Don't share. Just for fun, this is the true tone and this is without. Okay, continue. Interesting. I will go with light for now. Standard display. Okay. 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 Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Alright, so that's it for the boot up. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing and first boot up video of my new iPhone 11 Pro Max, 256GB in midnight green. Thanks for watching and goodbye.